Dan Resin. We're here at Xtreme Polishing Systems, and we're going to be going over some of our polyaspartic coatings that we offer here. First things first, what is a polyaspartic? A polyaspartic is a hybrid between an epoxy resin and a urethane. It's semi-flexible, it has superior resistance to abrasion, impact, chemicals, and it's UV resistant, meaning your floors will not yellow. A few downsides of polyaspartic, however, are that it leaves an orange peel effect, unlike an epoxy resin, which leaves a smooth finish. And it's also much thinner than an epoxy and a urethane, so just consider that. Now, let's get into our coverage rates. For a flake floor base coat, you're gonna be doing one coat at 150 square feet per gallon. For a top coat over flakes, super common system, you're gonna be doing 1 to 2 coats at 130 square feet per gallon. Now, for a solid color or a clear coat, you're gonna be doing one coat at 175 to 250 square feet per gallon. Now, for a metallic floor, you're gonna be doing one coat at 80 square feet per gallon. Now, let's get into our pigments. So, we have a few solid color offerings. We have the UP Laticrete Universal Pigments, which we recommend using for a solid color or a flake floor base coat. You're gonna use 1 pod per gallon. We also have our 1 liter pigments, which you can use 1/3 of a pod per 2 gallon kit. Now, we only recommend to use these for the flake floors because the color will vary once you do this mixing ratio of the floor. So once you cover it with the flakes, you're not gonna see that, but in a solid color floor, that will be noticeable. Now, let's get into our metallic pigments. So we recommend using our powdered metallic pigments. You can use 1/2 to 3/4 of a pod per 2 gallon kit. Now, let's get into the products. We have one of our newest products here, the XPS 737 Odorless Polyaspartic. It has no smell. This is great if you're doing an indoor area where they require no smell, because most polyaspartics have a potent odor and that takes a long time to dissipate, where this has no smell. So it's a 2 gallon kit. It's a 12 to 15 minute working time, a 1 minute mixing time, 30-minute pot life, dry time of 2 to 4 hours. You have a foot traffic in 12 to 24 hours, and then heavy traffic 48 hours, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Now next, let's get into our top selling product. We have the Rockhard Polyaspartic Kit. It is a 2 gallon kit. It's 83% solids. It's our lowest price polyaspartic that we have here. You got longer working times with this. You have 25 to 30-minute working time. Your mixing time is 1 minute and 20 seconds, pot life of 30 minutes, dry time 2 to 4 hours, foot traffic 12 to 24, heavy traffic 48. It's also a 1-to-1 ratio. Next, let's get into our 72% solids kits. These are both the same kit. One of them is a Laticrete kit, one of these is ours. We carry both just for inventory because these are very popular products. These both are 72% solids. They're great for low temperatures. They are both 2 gallons. You have a working time of 10 to 12 minutes with both of them. You have a mixing time of 1 minute, 20 seconds, pot life 20 minutes, dry time 2 to 4 hours, foot traffic 12 to 24 hours, and heavy traffic 48. Both of these are a 1-to-1 ratio. Next, let's get into our HP Flex SB. This is a 92% solids kit. This is frequently spec'd for specific jobs, so you might be required to use this product, and this is why we stock it. It's a 3 gallon kit. You have a work time of 30 minutes, mixing time of 1 minute, 20 seconds. You have pot life of 20 to 25 minutes. You have foot traffic in 12 to 24 hours, dry time 2 to 4, heavy traffic 48. And it's a 2-to-1 ratio because it's a 3 gallon kit. Next, one of our other newest products. This is our Super Poly. It's a 1.5 gallon kit. It has a working time of 10 minutes. You have pot life 15 minutes, dry time 1 to 1.5 hours. Then you have foot traffic in 3 hours, and then heavy traffic is back in 4 hours. This kit is done in 4 hours. Your floor is done. So if you need that floor done the same day, this is the kit for you. It's also a 1-to-1 ratio. All right, Dan Resin signing out.